This year,
Hello? Is anybody here?
Thomas and Friends are back in a brand new movie adventure.
Footprints! The monster! I really saw it!
Where only courage,
I've decided to be brave.
friendship,
Come on, we better find him before he gets into trouble.
and teamwork
They are really useful engines.
can save the day.
I must be brave.
Meet some new friends
I'm Marion. Timothy?
Oh, hi, Reg is the name.
and join the fun
There's a surprise.
for the biggest, bravest, and most spectacular adventure ever.
No!
Thomas and Friends, Tale of the Brave, the movie. Available now on DVD, Blu-ray, and digital download.
And Thomas and Percy passed into the tunnel.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
For your convenience, this DVD has been enhanced with Hit Entertainment's Autoplay. Your program will begin automatically. To bypass Autoplay, select the main menu button at any time. Your feature presentation will begin in a moment. Enjoy.